This is Scott Bauer with Prosper Trading Academy and your Cboe Vol 411. Yesterday, very heavy activity, almost 48 million contracts, 17% above recent levels. Puts outled calls by 7 to 6. Yesterday's SPY, 12 million contracts, 60% on the put side. SPX options, almost 4 million contracts. VIX, 1 million contracts. And in the VIX yesterday, the October 15 puts traded almost 70,000 times. The December 42.5 calls, over 60,000 opening. And as a follow-up to that this morning, heavy activity in the December 40 calls. Spot VIX now nearest highest level since late May. And though the curve is still in Contango, it is flattening. If the gap between spot VIX and the futures markets narrows or even inverts, that's a situation called backwardation. This happens less than 20% of the time. What that tells us is the perceived risk in the market is in the near term. And this curve has been flattening as we're seeing the spot VIX get towards 19 and going out to May, it's just above 20. Well, Cboe news, yes, a new product. The DSPX, the Cboe S&P 500 Dispersion Index. The Cboe S&P 500 Dispersion Index, DSPX, that measures the expected dispersion in the S&P 500 over the next 30 days using S&P 500 index options and also prices of single stock options. It does correlate to the VIX, and there is going to be a webinar next week that the Cboe is hosting to explain the new dispersion index and how it correlates to the VIX. This is Scott Bauer with Prosper Trading Academy and your Cboe Vol 411.